Hi YouTube, it's Herbie LPS here, and I am back from my break, yay! I have a little cold, but I will be making videos a lot more now, since I'm back from California, and I want to show you guys I got a new little dog, and it's so adorable. Nelson's going to introduce the dog, because it looks exactly like him, and we are going to go see it, yay! Okay, so here's the dog. There's my one dog. Melly! Melly! There's one. Let's go find number two. Number two. Let's see here. Oh, there he is. There she is. Yeah. Well, Kaya, what did you do?
I didn't.
Why is she under there?
I don't know.
Get off of her! Okay, I honestly did not do that, but here she is. She's so cute. So cute.
It's Nelson.
I know.
There are two Nelsons mixed together into a Nelson.
But sadly, this is a girl, so I couldn't name her Nelson, so I named her Nelsa. Perfect, right?
You mean Roxy?
Okay, fine, I named it Roxy. I wanted to name it Nelsa. I could. I have a chance. But I think Roxy is a much cuter name. So Roxy it is. See my dog? Hi, Dad.
Dad, you need to come with me to the bathroom quickly.
Do it.
Quickly, Dad, quickly.
You just ruined my video. I'm sorry, guys. Yep, they've been getting along. So yeah. Bye, guys.
Yum.